There it goes. Easy, Casey, easy. Shut your blower off.
Now I know. It's not recording anymore?
No, I got it. I accidentally hit the wrong button. There's a little grade right here. Give it a little more throttle before you stall out. If you're gonna stop, turn the blower on. When you're drifting, you'll need to have either the blower on or the throttle open a little bit. Alright, careful through here. You're okay, you're okay. It's spring loaded.
Okay, wow.
Alright, we're going to start climbing, so you're going to need some juice. You're good. Put a little more coal in there. All right, let me get this switch.